Hi guys, welcome back to a wet Benidorm today. We've got a walk out. It's still raining a little bit. We'll venture out and see if there's anybody in the bars. Just gonna have a walk down to buy the supermarket down the bottom. If there's anybody in the bars. Bound to be a few, even though it's raining. Okay. It's been raining quite a bit, more drizzle than torrential rain, but really wet today. Forecast again for tomorrow. Then Saturday it should be okay again. Should be nice and sunny. It's about 14 degrees still, but it's not cold, it's just wet. Up by where we live now. It's coming to the end of the corner and we can start going down towards the bars. There's our first supermarket over the road there. Let's see it. This is where we're going to go down to the bars and see if there's anybody in there. Just a bit of a walk out this one. We've had a lot of these rainy days this year in Benidorm. Can't remember them last year. Okay, I'm going to have a walk down now. Be down there in a minute. This looks a bit different when it's all wet and not many people about, obviously. And it's still raining. I think it's coming on a bit heavier now. The pictures seem to be okay though. Nearly there now. Just thought we'd better do some video today, even though it was raining, rather than not do one at all. Well, the picture's not come out too bad. I wanted to try the camera out, or the phone out in the rain, to be honest, to see what it would produce. Film doesn't look too bad. Got lights on over there. Nobody sat out today though, surprise. There are like 30% inside, so you imagine there'll be some people in there. Not many people about at all. The Yorkshire Pride 2, I think it is. You can see over there. That's not been reopened yet. The steakhouse, the Italian, I think it is. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I've got my PayPal link below if you want to buy me a beer for doing the videos. There's not even many people in there today. It's usually a very popular bar. I think in Spain they just tend to stop in when it's raining. There's the Man United bar there. And Trafford. They don't look like they're open today. And just down the bottom you can see the Stars bar. Getting some background noise. Get kids downstairs. Normally this gets pretty packed, this Stars bar. Nobody in there of course today. Now if there's a few inside. Can't really see. Going past KFC now. Just thought we'd do a quick video today because it's very wet. I'm not going to go too far. Into the supermarket. Mercadona. We're going to end the video just up here when we find a bit of shelter maybe. Right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more from Benidorm, have a look at the video, it's coming up anytime now. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.